How to fix Tinder app not working. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is check your internet connection, whether you have stable internet connection or not. To do that, launch your settings, navigate to the option of Wi-Fi. Click on the Wi-Fi network you are connected to. Forget this network, give a fresh restart to your router and then rejoin it. Likewise, you can switch between networks, Wi-Fi and cellular data. With that, your problem will be resolved. Next up, what you have to do is update the app to its latest version. For that, launch your Play Store or App Store. Now, at the very top, you will see the search box. Over there, type in the app name, Tinder, and then search for it. After app appears, you'll find the option of open or update. If you find the option of update over here, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Next up, clear cache for the app. For that, launch your settings. Then navigate to the option of general. Head over to the option of iPhone storage. In this page, you're going to find the list of the apps. Find the app Tinder. Once you find it, open it. Then click on Offload app. Click on Offload app. Offloading app clears cache for the app, then click on Reinstall app. Once completion of reinstallation process, you can check whether your problem has been fixed or not. If none of these solutions work, what you have to do is completely delete this app from your device and reinstall it. To do that, click on the option of Delete app. You'll get the pop-up, click on Delete for the confirmation. Once you delete the app, close this. Launch your Play Store or App Store, search for the app Tinder, and then download it. By following the solution, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can easily fix Tinder app not working. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.